East, we wouldn't have known what they were talking about. They wanted to go out and crop tobacco. We would never have known what cropping tobacco was in the Piedmont, and they wanted to loop it on the stick. Well, we strung it on the stick. So, that much difference. And I also thought back about. I actually went to the barn at night with my grandfather, a log barn like this, and he had 5 of them. And we stayed up all night keeping the fires going in those barns during the night. And that was a wonderful memory, walking from his house with a kerosene lantern to go to the barn. No lights at the barn. The kerosene lantern was all we had. And I've gone from that to the stringer, the mechanical stringers that actually strung the tobacco on the stick. And then moved into rack bolt barns where the racks went through the tobacco, and then even into box barns where they talked about if you stepped on these leaves, my daddy would have whooped you. Well, we would actually get up on the boxes in the field and step on the tobacco and stomp it into the boxes so we could get more in it. And then even to mechanical harvesters that, some of them call tobacco chewers, because as they go through the field, they chew it up pretty good, and it doesn't come out quite like you see it laid up here. It's certainly not straight. So that's kind of a chronological idea of where we came from and where we are in North Carolina. A lot of the tobacco is mechanically harvested. Most of it is cured in box barns now. And instead of working in a pack house and tying bundles of tobacco, now it's taken out of the barn in big arm loads, or sometimes never even touched by humans. It runs on a conveyor, and then we squish it with a baler. And all of that would have been things that my granddaddy would have certainly whipped all of us for if we'd done it. But it all still works, and we still lead the nation in the production of flue-cured tobacco today in North Carolina.
Thank you, Commissioner. Let me mention to you that those of you who were not in the contest and would like to really